Hey everyone, welcome back. In this playlist, we're going to take a look at some of the meta nodes on Gumloop. In this video, we're focusing on the error shield. This is called a meta node because it is used to supplement the functionality of other nodes. For example, if we have a website scraper that might result in an error, we could wrap the node in an error shield and so make sure that the remainder of the automation does not fail. Let's consider this example. Here, I have a list of 3 potential website URLs. The first one and the last one seem to be valid URLs, but the one in the middle is clearly an invalid URL. Let's try running the flow. It seems that since the second URL passed in was invalid, the entire flow fails, and so now I would have to remove the invalid URL from the list, and then restart the automation from the very beginning for it to work. This is not great, because if I had a list of 100 URLs, it would cause a lot of time to be wasted. So how do we fix that? Well, let's take a look at this very similar flow, except in this case, we wrap the error shield around the website scraper. We still have the invalid URL in the list, and so let's try running the flow. We see that an error occurred in the website scraper, but was safely caught and handled by the error shield, making sure that the other URLs were correctly scraped, and preventing us from having to restart after removing the URL. It is possible, though, that some URLs appear to be correct, but are actually invalid because of a simple typo. In this case, it's helpful to click on the Pass Inputs Through button on the error shield, which then adds another output onto the node. After running the flow, I can see that the invalid URL pass-in was this one, and fix the typo if need be. This is especially useful for debugging.